I start by a little bit of introduction, some definitions, and then briefly touch on industry applications that most of you are familiar with. And I focus a little bit on one application, which is a sports. And not because I'm running a sports analytics company, but you will see the reasons why sports are very important and interesting application for human activity understanding. Then I go over technology evolution and how we've solved this problem prior to the deep learning era, then all the work, amazing work that went into using deep neural nets, and then the kind of recent trend of vision language models. And at the end, I summarize kind of the benefits, shortcomings of different methodologies, and give you a kind of guideline of how to choose a model for a different application that you may have. At the end, I'll briefly touch about like my ideas for future direction and where I want to see things go in the next 3 to 5 years. Now, activity understanding has been studied under several different topics. One was activity detection. So activity detection is all about identifying where and when activities are happening. So spatio-temporal localization of each individual in the video and labeling the actions. In a separate way, activity understanding was studied for activity recognition. Basically, taking a video segment, assign a label to that segment, and classify it about like what that action is. Action grounding is about kind of mapping specific actions to visual cues given a textual query. Video captioning is something that everyone is familiar with, and also action segmentation, which is basically kind of dividing a video into non-overlapping segments with proper labels for each action that is happening in each segment. I'm showing a footage of a security surveillance video, and you see a woman walks in, sees a cat, kind of plays with the cat for a little bit, and then all of a sudden opens the garbage bin, throws the cat into the garbage bin, and walks away. Oh, by the way, the cat was rescued a couple of hours after, and it was not harmed. But as you see, like human activities are complex, and our behaviors involve interaction with multiple objects, multiple entities in the scene. So the person walks. So walking into the scene, like walk can be an action. Playing with the cat can be an action. Throwing the cat into the bin can be an action. But if you want to put a label for this whole behavior, it's like kind of animal cruelty, or a more detailed label, like person throws the cat into trash bin after petting. But clearly, we don't want to have that kind of vocabulary to define the activities.